Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I got my dyed black hair pink and green. I have used these live boxes. I've used the Shocking Pink and the Sea Mermaid. I absolutely love it. All I did was use one of these, so no more than one application. My hair came out kind of like an orangey copper, but it's taken the colour extremely well. This pink is beautiful. It's actually looking a little bit more red on camera, but it is actually pink. I haven't done quite enough on this side. I feel like I have to pull out the green from underneath, so I should have come around to about here a bit more. But I'm going to share with you how I got this colour and how it's not damaged my hair at all. It feels really, really silky and nice. And if you want to know how I did it, then keep watching.
So here I'm just sectioning out my hair as to where I want the green and the pink to go. Trying to make sure I get a straight line. This bit was really tricky. I didn't want to get my roots bleached, so I kind of couldn't really see what I was doing, but it came out okay in the end. Then I wrapped it up to make sure all the heat kept in. That means it will get a lot lighter, so I always use foils if I'm bleaching, and then I did the same on the other side as well. The back was a lot harder. I couldn't do foils by myself, so I just had to do it with my fingers and hope for the best, really. Again, foiling it up. I left this on for about 45 minutes, and then the big result, as I expected, an orangey, coppery colour. This was really, really hard because I was trying to get the black out, but I didn't get all the black out, so had to part it. This is the pink, absolutely gorgeous, and again I foiled this through, just hoping that it would hold the colour a lot more. Again, the back was really difficult, so I just pasted it with my fingers, then went on to the green and I do the same process over it again, and then I wrapped it in foil. I left this on for about 30 minutes.
So that was it. I'm so happy that I did this. I really wanted to try something just a little bit different, because if you are new to my channel, you won't know this, but those of you who are with me, they know that I change my hair all the time. I'm so tempted to go all over pink right now, but I'm just in love with this colour so much. But I know I'm just going to hold out, see how long it lasts, see what upkeep it is. It has coloured my fingers a little bit because I didn't use the gloves, but the smell is absolutely gorgeous and I just love how it's turned out. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, then subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you are going to use these colours, go and enjoy yourself. Bye.